Are you overpaying for your Gold IRA without even realizing it? A lot of companies bury the real cost in fine print, vague bonus offers, or sales goals. But there's a cleaner way to break it all down. These companies talk about free silver or no fees for the first year, but they rarely show you what happens after that. And worse, many won't show you any pricing at all unless you get on a call. That's why this setup and pricing info from Augusta is so helpful. It spells out exactly what you'll pay both to get started and year after year. Right here, you will see the one-time setup fees that includes the custodian application, storage setup, and admin, and in all in, it's $275. Then below that, it breaks out the recurring annual fees. $125 for custodial maintenance and $100 for secure storage. That's $225 a year, clearly listed, no vague language, and no guesswork. I've linked this guide in the description. Now, compare that to a site like this, where instead of showing you numbers, they ask you to call for pricing. You're left guessing, or worse, agreeing to something you don't fully understand. This pricing guide is part of Augusta's Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which includes 8 free PDFs designed to help you make an informed decision. From setup costs to product selection and buyback policies, the bundle lays everything out in plain English, even if you're new to this. If you want to compare real Gold IRA cost without the sales pressure, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's completely free, beginner-friendly, and helps you avoid hidden fees from the start. You will find the link below in this video.